Today we're visiting one of our favorite places in the city, Governor's Island. With just one ferry ride away from the city, this place is perfect for a day trip to go biking, relax in the sun, and enjoy some time with your friends or your family. There are a lot of food options available on Governor's Island, but you can find a larger variety on the weekends. You can also find a lot of beautiful art showcases around the island. There are 3 city bike stations available throughout Governor's Island. Let's hop on one of them and go for a ride. Another reason why we love Governor's Island so much is that you can catch some of the most amazing views of the Manhattan skyline and Statue of Liberty. You can also enjoy a night stay on the island with collective retreats. They offer luxury camping tents with breakfast, AC, and morning yoga session. Governor's Island has a hammock area to enjoy a peaceful and relaxing environment. For the kids, there is a large play area for them to enjoy and have fun. Governor's Island is the perfect getaway from the New York City atmosphere to relax and have fun in the outdoors.